Hi, could you tell me where the gym is?
Of course, the gym is on the second floor next to the pool.
Thank you, and where exactly is the pool?
The pool is on the second floor right beside the gym.
Oh, great. Do I need a towel for the pool or is provided?
Towels are provided. You can take one at the entrance to the pool.
Perfect. And the sauna is it near the pool too?
Yes, the sauna is just behind the pool area.
Good to know. What's the nearest elevator?
There's one right next to the lobby and another near to the pool on the second floor.
Excellent. And what about the restaurant?
The restaurant is just on the ground floor close to the main entrance.
Can you also tell me where the lobby restroom is?
Sure, it's next to the elevator on the ground floor.
Great. Is there a map of the hotel available?
Yes, we have a map available at the reception desk. I can give you one.
That will be very helpful. Thank you.
Here you go. It's all our full room and facilities.
Wonderful. And where can I get a card for the gym?
You don't need one. Just show your key room at the gym entrance.
Oh, that's easy. Is the gym open 24 hours?
No, it's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Perfect. And is there a trainer available if I need help?
Yes, we have a trainer on duty from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for all the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time at the hotel.
Thank you.